So we are moving on to another activity wherein I have a list of abstract nouns and I am supposed to place it in its appropriate blank according to the sentence. So let us see the list of abstract nouns. Boredom, friendship, truth, fear, love, excitement, happiness, hate, panic, misery, unhappiness, hatred, pain, stress. So these are the following abstract nouns. So let us see the abstract nouns once more. Boredom, fear, hate, hatred, friendship, love, panic, pain, truth, excitement, happiness, misery, unhappiness, stress. So by reading the sentences, I have to place the correct abstract noun. So are you ready to do the sentences along with me? So the first sentence is, when people are happy, they are full of. So normally when a person is happy, they show a lot of joy or excitement or delight. So when people are happy, they are full of. So let us see, they are full of excitement. So I write the word excitement. So I write the abstract noun excitement. When people are happy, they are full of excitement. So I have the word excitement. The second sentence, when somebody is really nasty, that person must be full of, we write the word hatred. So when somebody is really nasty, that person must be full of hatred. The next sentence, when something scary happens, I feel the dash inside of me. So when you watch something scary, you have a lot of fear. So when something scary happens, I feel the fear inside of me. I feel the fear inside of me. So the abstract noun fear. So these are all feelings that can be felt within a person. When people are honest with me, I feel happy that the dash is being told. So honesty is being very open, saying the truth. So I feel happy that the truth is being told. So I have the abstract noun truth. I have the abstract noun truth. When I am bored of studying, I feel the dash in my brain. So when we are bored, we feel the boredom. So I feel the boredom in my brain. So I have the word boredom. The next sentence, when I'm sad about something, I feel dash in my heart. So when I'm sad about something, I feel unhappiness in my heart. So I have the word unhappiness. So when you are sad, you feel very unhappy. When it's Friday, the whole class feels the, so when it's Friday, the whole class feels the excitement. So I have the abstract noun excitement. Or when it's Friday, the whole class feels the stress. So I write the word stress, the abstract noun stress. So I have the abstract noun stress. When a friend does something to help us, we know that there is friendship. So I have the abstract noun friendship. So these are all the abstract nouns that we have made use of. So we have, or we can say happiness. When it's Friday, the whole class feels the excitement. So when people are happy, they are full of excitement or happiness. So we can use any one abstract noun. When somebody is really nasty, that person must be full of hatred. When something scary happens, I feel the fear inside of me. When people are honest with me, I feel happy that the truth is being told. When I'm bored of studying, I feel the boredom in my brain. When I'm sad about something, I feel unhappiness in my heart. When it's Friday, the whole class feels the stress or the excitement or happiness. When a friend does something to help us, we know that there is friendship. So these are the following abstract nouns that we have made use of in these sentences.